internet, welcome back to my channel. Today we have the Zenpop box for September. I think it's September. I really lost track of time. So yeah, it's September. Let's get right into it. Zenpop News, September, Volume 4. Oh, I guess because it's like, it's still summer, but it's coming to the end of summer in the Northern Hemisphere, so it's like I can see some of the kits starting to move more into autumn, and also the moonlight, not moonlight, what am I talking about? Because I'm thinking about Violet's Game Moonlight Garden. The Mid-Autumn Festival is coming up at the end of September, which is, it feels really late. So Mid-Autumn, Mooncake, they kind of coincide in my mind, because Mid-Autumn to me is like Japanese holiday, but also Chinese holiday, which my family celebrates. So usually I always remember them being more in August, so being September kind of feels late. But oh, if you want to follow along at home, yeah. And also there's a discount code if you ever want to sign up. So the theme for this month is called Endo Art Aesthetic. It's supposed to be kind of representing the twilight of summer, so summer coming to an end. And so yeah, you'll see kind of a lot of art around that. So the first one is some postcards. Okay, so I think these are completely blank. I'm reading the description on the side. So I'm not going to open these because I am going to use them for the letter group that I've been saving all these for. These postcards are completely blank, so you can customize them any way you want. I mean, I'm not gonna lie, it's mostly just blank cardboard, right? I don't know if I'm just like oversimplifying it. I really kind of want to see. I might just have a look and see if there's anything special besides them just being like, I know the quality of the paper is really good. Okay, it literally is just blank cardboard, and then it's just like a stamp, a place with a stamp postcard, but it's like, it's really nice and smooth, but I don't know. There's a part of me is like, could I just go get like large sheets of those cardboard pieces you can get at Office Works and just cut them down to this size? I mean, I don't know, no shade, but it just seems a little weird. Then the next one is some mini message cards. Sorry, every time I kind of do this, it's because I'm filming upside down. So when I look at the screen, I'm like, oh, I'm upside down. It feels very unnatural. So little message cards, that's so cute though. Look at those flowers, they're beautiful. Oh, love that. And then we have some stickers, some like really nice calming stickers. Oh, you can see like a better version of them here. But I am going to open it up because I am going to use these. And I want to know what sort of material they're on. Oh, nice. It's plastic, but honestly, it kind of feels like washi as well. And you get multiples of the design, so you get like 2 of each design. I'm really loving this like sort of watercolor splotches. Warm feeling, she's going to spend her time calmly, tranquil, just very zen and calm. So there's a bunch of different designs here. I cherish you. And then, oh, stuck. Then we got these ones here with this beautiful lady and her cozy coat, oh, cozy sweater. They feel really thin, so I think they're going to work well in the Hobonichi if that's something that you plan in. And then we have a pen, which I will test at the end of the video, as well as, ooh, my goodness. These watercolors, oh my goodness, that's awesome. I don't think I ever expected to get watercolors, especially like kuretake watercolors. These are like really high quality watercolors, and it's like a set. So you get the Zig Clean Color Reel brush. I have this, I know it's amazing. You get, I think, couple watercolors. They seem like there's 4 in here, 4 different colors. You get the actual watercolor brush and then a palette to work with. Oh my goodness, this is so exciting. Okay, I'll test this out at the end of the video with a pen. And now we have some more stickers. I really, honestly, I'm loving this aesthetic because it's very, whilst I know this is supposed to be like twilight of summer, and then in Australia, like right now, we are welcoming spring, so everything is blooming. Well, not today, but generally everything is like blooming. It's the same fabric as it's the same paper as this. It's like I think it's like plastic, but at the same time it feels very washi tape like. However, Okay, no, they are. I was like, is this like a whole sheet? Because it feels like this whole sheet. Oops, sorry. It feels like this is like a whole sheet, but actually they're all individually cut as well. So you get 4 of these. This is so, like, I love this sort of design for decorating like my journaling pages especially, because it just feels very calm, but it also doesn't pull away from the content that I'm journaling about. And then we have some origami paper, kiriko. It's kind of a, I think it looks foil, right? Shiny gloss, waterproof, tear resistant. So you can create these like shinier designs. I wonder how many colors you get. Oh, okay. It's like this really thin plastic. You see? It's like almost transparent. And you get the pink, the red, and blue. Or purple? Yeah, no, blue and black. Oh wow, you get 4 different colors. That's so trippy. I like this a lot. We also have an eraser, and what's really great, I don't know if you noticed, there's like perforated sections on the cardboard, so as you use up the eraser, you just tear it off and push it out. It's really functional. And then the last one, oh, it's a undersheet. I wonder if you're supposed to put this like there's a term, this, oh my god, it's escaping me. It's basically the board you put under paper so that when you're journaling it doesn't press into the paper behind it, and it's especially useful if you're, say, writing, like for me, if I'm writing my Hobonichi but I flip the page and I'm writing on the left side, the ink behind it sometimes imprints on the page previously, so then your writing just looks so messy. So this sort of stuff is really good for it. Plus, because I actually have so many stickers in my Hobonichi now, the paper is kind of bumpy, so my writing always kind of messes up a little bit. So I try to use these as much as I can, but I don't have one handy, especially since moving to my new home. I think I left a lot of them at my old place, so this is going to be useful. So yeah, that is everything. Well, this is quite a lot. I'm not gonna lie, I'm actually finding a lot of this quite functional, so I'm excited. So that's everything in the September Zenpop box. I'm going to go try that pen and some watercolors. Let's try the pen first. It has no name and actually does not look like a pen now that I've just opened it up. It looks like a really thick pencil. Let's give this a shot. I think it is a pencil, yeah. It's like a drafting pencil, so I'd say it's like, ooh, I should stop that from autofocusing just so you can see. I feel like it's a HB sort of weight, so it's quite light, but it allows you to do quite cool sketching. I just don't know how you'd refill this, because without a brand name I don't even know where I'd get lead for it, but that's kind of cool. I was not expecting that. Alright, let's open this up. You do get like 4 watercolors. You get this sort of plastic palette, you get a water pen, and then you get 2 of these Z Clean liners. So let me go test these. I'll test out these pens first, and then I'll fill up the other watercolor pen with some water. So I love these because, and I'm not doing it any justice, but the tips are brush pens, so you can go really sharp or really thick. And because they're actual brushes like paint, they're really flexible. Some you can find are like foam, but I love these ones the best. I just feel like brushes are just more, you can get more out of them without actually damaging them. Okay, so I'll open up these watercolors. I wish there was the only complaint I have is that for these watercolors, little cubes, they're coming all loose, so I don't know how to store them after this. There's like a way? No. Oh, by the way, it also comes with some cardboard of like a volcano or Mount Fuji, which is cool. I think you can color these in with these. But yeah, no, there's no way to really store them except just as they are. It's inspiration on how you might want it to look if you use these colors. So let me go fill this pen up first. Okay, the thing I really love about these pens, by the way, is that you do not need like a little pot of water when you watercolor with them, because the brush can rinse out really easily on its own. So I'm just trying to make sure I get everything in the shot. So if I try this green one first, it's really nice. mossy green. And then to get the color out, you just run it on a piece of paper or tissue, and then it's clear, and then you can go in with the next color. It's so handy. It's like, I don't know, I can't use any other way of watercoloring. I have to use these pens. So I have like a bunch of them that I personally use when I do watercoloring. I can never go back. This is so beautiful. Okay, so those are the 4 colors. You have this beautiful green, gold, kind of a burnt brown, and then this like vermilion, like really orangey red. And that is everything that's come in Zenpop this month. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. This is Celina reporting from my room. Back to you, internet.